not get burnt. The water yam, place it like this and then wrap it. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to another interesting video. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you just come across my channel for the very first time, my name is Treasure. Thank you very much for watching my video. So in today's video, I want to prepare one of my native food. We call it Ekpang Nkukwo. So come, let me show you guys my ingredients. So this is water yam. This is the main ingredient for this recipe. Water yam, and this is ugu leaf, vegetable that I'm going to use and wrap it. And this is periwinkle. You know, we cannot do without periwinkle in our meal. This is bonga fish. We call it ibat. Pepper, onion, salt, Maggi, palm oil, crayfish. So guys, grab your popcorn and let's get started. So now I'm going to peel my water yam. So in case you don't know what is water yam is another species of yam. It's not the regular yam that you know. It's another species of yam we normally use for Ekpang Nkukwo or adobre. Okay guys, so I'm done washing the yam. Now I want to grate it with my manual grater. This is a manual grater. I will grate it now. Okay, so guys, I'm done grating the water yam. Now I'm just going to add Maggi and mix it. And mix it so that it will give a very nice taste when I cook it. Amatan is making the Maggi to be very strong. So after mixing, I'll set it aside. Go and bring something and cover it. So, vegetable. Now let's plug the vegetable. I'm going to separate the leaf that I'm going to use and wrap the Ekpang Nkukwo. Just like this. I just need only this. And the ones that are not big is the one I will slice and add to it. Watch and see how I'm going to do it. So let's wash the vegetable. What? So I'm done washing the vegetable. Now I want to cut periwinkle.
What did she say? She said she sent it.
Where is that thing? So guys, I'll start the wrapping now. Let's start the wrapping of the Ekpang Nkukwo. I'll add palm oil in the bottom of the pot so that it will not get burnt when I cook it. So guys, let's wrap it together. This is how to wrap it. You open the leaf like this, take small portion of the water yam, place it like this, and then wrap it. Okay, I'm done wrapping. So this is it. pepper. Just pot on fire. Yo. And then add water. This is hot water. Just add the water at one spot so that it will not scatter the wraps. Crayfish. This Bonga fish is very fresh. This is so fresh. You may use it for Gary. That's it. Coming up. So let's start adding. I'll add fish. Periwinkle. Crayfish and pepper. Salt, Maggi, then I'll cover and allow to boil very well. Gari, join me, let's drink gari. While waiting for the food to get ready, let's drink gari together. This water is chilled. I want to drink gari with my Bonga fish. This is sugar. Nkukwo is almost ready. Wow, 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 wow. It is yummy. Woo! This is authentic Akwa Ibom State Ekpang Nkukwo. No other state than Akwa Ibom State that can cook this. Cook this. Hi. Mina, you are going to eat this food. Guys, the food is almost ready. It's almost ready. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Ah. Even on earth. A little palm oil again. Wow, it's ready. It's ready. It's ready. Food is ready. It's ready. Yeah. Food is ready. Guys, food is ready. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Share with your friends and family. Share with your colleague in the office. Thank you. Bye. Mwah. Mwah.